हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो एक नई सीरीज यूजीसी नेट इकोनॉमिक्स के रिलेटेड चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। विच इकोनॉमिस्ट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द थ्योरी ऑफ कंपैरेटिव एडवांटेज? डेविड रिकार्डो। हु डेवलप्ड द थ्योरी ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट एडवांटेज? आंसर इज बी, एडम स्मिथ। विच इकोनॉमिस्ट इज नोन फॉर द थ्योरी ऑफ क्रिएटिव डिस्ट्रक्शन? आंसर इज बी, जोसेफ शुम्पेटर। Who is credited with the general theory of employment, interest, and money? Answer is A, John Maynard Keynes. Which economist is associated with the theory of invisible hand? Answer is B, Adam Smith. Who is known for the monetarist theory? Answer is A, Milton Friedman. Which economist is linked with the theory of utilitarianism? Answer is A, Jeremy Bentham. Who developed the theory of public goods? Answer is C, Paul Samuelson. Which economist is associated with the capital theory and its critiques of classical theory of value? Answer is A, Karl Marx. Who is known for the theory of economic development and the concept of stages of economic growth? Answer is A, Walt Rostow. Which economist is known for the theory of rational expectation? Robert Lucas. Who developed the game theory in economics? John Nash. Which economist is associated with the principle of relative income? Answer is A, James Dusenberry. Who formulated the life cycle hypothesis of saving and consumption? Answer is A, Franco Modigliani. Then, which economist is known for the public choice theory? Answer is James Bocachin. Who is associated with the theory of human capital? Gary Becker. Which economist is linked with the efficient market hypothesis? Answer is A, Eugen Fama. Who developed the hedonic price model to evaluate the impact of environmental factors on the property values? Answer is A, Shevin Rosen. Which economist is known for the behavioral economics approach, particularly concept of nudge? Answer is Richard Thaler. Who is known for the dynamic stochastic general equilibrium model in macroeconomics? Answer is B, Robert Lucas. Which economist is credited with the new trade theory, emphasizing the economies of scale and network effects? Answer is A, Paul Krugman. Who is known for the theory of economic development and growth, including the concept of Harrod-Dommer model? Answer is Sir Roy Harrod and Apse Dommer. Both A and B are correct answers. Which economist is associated with the endogenous growth theory, focusing on how policy can affect through the investment in human capital and innovation? Answer is A, Paul Romer, who developed the athletic paradigm in international business theory, also known as OLI framework. Answer is A, John Dunning. Which economist is associated with the Calder's growth laws? Answer is A, Nicholas Calder. Who is associated with the general theory of relativity in the economics, particularly related to financial markets? Answer is B, Robert Shiller. Which economist is known for the theory of laser class? Answer is A, Thorstein Veblen. Who developed the new Keynesian economics, which includes concepts like sticky prices and wages? Mankiw. Answer is A. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.